Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to take you guys on an adventure to check out the recording locations of Schitts Creek. So stay tuned and let's get into it. So the first location is going to be Goodwood, Ontario. Now this is northeast of Toronto. It's about 56 minutes and 60 kilometers. Now when you arrive in this downtown area here, you're going to notice all the famous landmarks from the hit TV series. So Bob's Garage is here on one corner, then you're going to see the Cafe Tropical across the street, and then on the other side you're going to see Rose's Apothecary. Now I took some pictures during my trip, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now versus what it looked like during filming. So you can see Bob's Garage used to look more worn down, a lot more stuff was surrounding it to make it look like an actual garage, but it looks like it's closed down now, so not much going on there. For the Cafe Tropical, you can see that the benches have been removed from the front of the building, plus the big sign above the main door and the one that was covering that center door on the second floor has also been removed. Rose's Apothecary, you can see that they've removed all the fruits and vegetables from the front, in addition to the big signage that was above the main door. Next we take a trip over to Airport Road and Hockley Road. Now this is about an hour and a half from downtown Toronto, so it's about 83 kilometers, and we're actually looking for the Rosebud Motel. So I did find it was kind of hidden in this kind of depression as you come off the roadway. Now the hotel hasn't been used, it looks like, in a while. Everything was kind of closed. I drove back and forth. I didn't see anybody around. So unfortunately you can't see anything on the inside. We just kind of took a look at the building from the outside. And just like before, I took some pictures of this location. Here's the before and after, and as you can see, that center top part of the hotel used to have the big Rosebud signage. That has been removed, revealing the two windows, and all the decorations from the front have also been removed. So as we get back on our way, we're going to take one last trip to a place called Margrave Set. And this is a location where they filmed the Reacher TV series. Now, this location here is just east of Markham, and it's about 45 kilometers, so an hour and 10 minutes away. Now, this location is not easy to find. It's on a road called Sideline 32, and it sits about halfway between Highway 7 and 7th Concession Road. So guys, this location here has a gate which was closed, so you can't really just drive in there and go wherever you want. I did fly my drone over it because I knew that they were closed and nothing was going on during this period. But this brings me to a point for this location and the others that we visited today. Be mindful, be respectful. These are still businesses, things are going on in some of those locations, like the first place we went. There are families and businesses running. So again, just be mindful, be respectful, and try and support the local communities. It helps them out a lot. Now back to this recording set. So Reacher was recorded here. I'm not sure if it's all the series, but I know a few of them were. So I personally haven't been able to watch it, but I do know that it is a popular TV series on Prime. I did watch the trailer and some of the content that I could find online, and it looks really good, so it might be something that I'm going to get into. And if you're a fan of the show, some of these locations may look familiar. I mean, if you've watched the TV show, you probably recognize a lot of these places. So guys, keep watching this great drone footage. I'm going to finish the video off here. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.